alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Muhammad Abdul Wahab from Asian Telecom Company. In this video, we're going to talk about how to calculate the required disk space for your CCTV cameras. So we will open our task. We have a small POQ or a small number of cameras that we are tasked to calculate the disk space for various scenarios. First of all, we have 2 megapixel IP outdoor cameras for 7 with the quantity of 7, and we have 4 megapixel indoor camera which is 25. Also, we have 32 channel MBR, which is not important here in our case. So we are tasked to you know to calculate how much disk space is required to keep the video for 1 month. Okay, so I already prepared this one, but let me remove it. And the second task is to to calculate also with the motion detection. Assume that we are in a company or mall. This CCTV installed in a mall. Okay, and the mall will be after maybe 12 uh, p.m. or 11 p.m. it will be closed. So we will have something around 8 hours. So the cameras will be inactive. So it will not recording if we are using motion detection. So in this case, I will use the Hikivision, this calculator. So simply, if you want it, you go to Hikivision. Okay, Hikivision.com tools. Just Hikivision. Just type in the browser Hikivision disk storage calculator. Hikivision storage calculator. And then you will find it here easily, and then you can download it here. This and here is a lot of tools. Here this calculator, you can download it and then uh, install it, and you will have it. I already downloaded, and when you open the application, this is the dashboard for the application. This is the main interface. So in our task, let us start with our task. Here we have 7 2 megapixel cameras. So what we will do, we will add 7 cameras here in channel number, and and we can name it as outdoor cameras. Outdoor cameras. Okay, and we will choose, is it IP or analog? IPC it is for IP cameras, and DVR for sure is for analog cameras. So so then we will use the resolution. We will put the resolution, which is 2 megapixel in our case. This here, 2 megapixel. So we will put here, sorry, 2 megapixel, and we'll put frame per second. Frame per second, it's the number of frames that the camera will take to record a video. So in this case, I will keep 25. Encoding techniques, there are 3 main encoding techniques, which is HE264 and H264 plus and HE265. Everyone, it's enhanced for it is its predecessor. HE264 is it compress the video. Okay, when the camera record the video, this protocol is going to compress the video. This protocol H264, it will compress the video more and more, and this also more and more. And but the 64 plus and 65 are the same, so we're gonna use 64 because we will going to will are going to find it in our real life. So this is the recommended bitrate, so it is default. So add it. We will have here outdoor cameras, 7 cameras. Um, then we will, you know,
the recording time per day, we will have it, we will set it as 24 hours, so it will be continuous for all day. So in this case, for 7 cameras, we will need five you know 5 terabyte to keep the video for 1 month. If we change now for 1 week, it will be decreased. So if for 1 month, our task is for 1 month. So again, we will add the indoor cameras, which is in our task, it is 25 cameras, so we'll put here 25. It is IB camera for sure. It is 4 megapixel as written there. And also we'll put the encoding protocol as H264 plus, and we will add. And then we will find 36 terabyte. So we will write in our task that it require 36 terabyte to be kept for 1 month. So our second task, so it is with the motion detection. If assume it is a mall, as I said, and the camera will not going to work for the 8 hours that in the night. So we will try to exclude this to reduce the require this disk space. So with motion detection for 8 hours inactive. So we'll go here and then exclude 8 hours. Will be like 16. So now we require 24, yeah, 24 TP with 8 hours, 8 hours inactive. Okay. Now if you want to reduce it more and more here, and if you want it by days, maybe your client is wanted as 21, so it will be 17. You can easily change the required time. Also per weeks, you can put it here 26 week, or 4 weeks, or anyway. This was my video. Thank you for your viewing.